Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're talking about power washers, and I know a lot of you have issues with noise around the area that you live. So let's see what the difference is between these two. I think you're going to be quite impressed. Same PSI between all of them. Hey Julio, tell them where they can get all this good stuff.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Little, compact, easy to pick up, one pinky, that light, and powerful. So if you're looking for something that's quiet, there you go. All right, let's see how it washes. Not bad. These little buggers are all we have now. This is all we use. They're nice and quiet. It saves you hearing. The neighbors and people around you are not complaining. So it does the job, and it's extremely affordable. Let's see what it does to cement, to black mold, I guess you could call it. Let's see what it does. Let's do this. What's that stand for, folks? All right, let's put this little bugger together. This is your cord holder for holding your cord. It takes 4 small screws. Hopefully I can stay out of your view here. Let's see how quick it goes. Comes very well packaged. I was pretty surprised how well it was. But we are really amazed with these. Here, long cord circuit breaker. This is your handle. That goes right here, slides on. 2 large screws for that. Has a holster here that goes right there for your wand. That presses down. Now with the wand itself, it goes on very easily. Unlike some of them, it goes in only one way. You push it in, turn it like that. The soap dispenser, so you can dispense soap on the vehicle or whatever it is you're washing. Put it in, turn it, it's ready to go. Now the hose that will connect to the power washer to your wand that pumps the water, you push this in, shove it in, let go, it's locked in. That's simple. This is fully assembled already, that quick. Comes with multiple spray nozzles and your on-off right here. When you hit the sprayer, it turns on. When you let off, it shuts off. That's simple. Your hose for your wand connects right here. And of course, your water connects right here.